Good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome to Tutors. In this video, which is second part on that drift correction. So, the next thing we're going to do is on drift curve. Questions will come that will tell you that you should plot your drift curve. Okay, drift curve. You remember in the last video, I told you that how you correct your drift. One of the ways to correct your drift is by what? Reoccupying your base station. You have to go back to the base station and reoccupy it again and reoccupy it again. So your drift curve is only containing only your gravity reading. That's what you're going to plot. And you're going to plot it against what? Time. Remember, for your drift curve, you're only plotting your what? Your gravity reading. Can you see it? Your gravity reading, this reading, just the one you got from the field, not the corrected though, not the one that you correct. It's the one you got against the field, against what? Change in time. Okay, change in time will be on the x-axis. Change in time will be on the x-axis. Change in time will be on the x-axis. While your gravity reading, your G observe, which is a mil-gal, or depending on the unit you are using, it can be mil-gal, it can be gravity unit, it can be gal, or centimeter per second square. Okay, and your change in time, which is in minutes. Good. So it depends. You don't have seconds or this thing, but minutes. That's what we use in our change in time. Good. So it is the one that you got from the field, not the drift function you're plotting. So you're just selecting for your drift curve. What you are plotting, it is only your base station, your base station reading. How many base stations do we have here? We really have two. So it's only those two are plotting against their time. Good. To get our drift curve. Okay, so if you just start from zero, okay, so we know that if I like looking at it, the next one, which one is higher? Base station one is higher, right? So that is, what's the reading there? 2934.2. You write here 2934.2. Then the next one is what? 2934 point what? 9, which is base station 2. 2934.9. Good. So you plot against your what? So the time, change the time here is 0. That's for this guy. Okay, for the first base station. And for the second base station is at what? At 73. Good. So just easy. You know that plotting this one, that's this. Then plotting the other one. Okay, it occurred at what? At this time. Okay, you know how to do your graph. So you do it on your graph. Good. Okay. So you're going to connect it, use your ruler or anything you have. Although they say it's drift curve, it's not like curve. Okay, so okay, good. So that's that. That's that for everybody. So you join all your base stations together. So if the base station here is 3, you look for the third reading, you join the first one to the second one, the second one to the third one to the fourth one. It depends on how it is. Okay. Then next, you are going to rule for it's the first base station. The first base station. Any question you are given at the first base station, you're going to rule an horizontal line. What I say? An horizontal what? Line. That horizontal line is going to show what? Your reference. You write it in your book. Reference datum. Your reference datum. Okay? Your reference datum. So this is your what? Drift curve. That's how to plot your drift curve. Very simple. Starting with just recounting again. The first part is you plot your base station against the time, your change in time. Okay, and it's not the corrected. Okay, remember it's not the corrected. There's this one here, the one you got from the field. You're going to plot against it, and you're good to go. So that ends it. Thank you very much for listening. Please like and subscribe to my channel.